Please tell me what you thought of this workshop.
I thought it was a really nice workshop. I learned a lot about body percussion and I really liked it.
I know you're a school teacher. Do you think, would you recommend this to other school teachers for their classes?
Yes, I think the students would enjoy learning about body percussion and creating their own movements, their own dance. So it was really fun. So I recommend it to teachers and students.
Thanks so much. What did you think about the fact that it was we had such a range in age, like from kids all the way up to adults?
It makes a good group, like to have different age groups together.
Yeah, it is nice. It's nice that it's the kind of activity that everybody can do and it doesn't really matter how old you are. I like that about it.